Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyo. So ngayon araw guys, ang dituro ko sa inyo ay kanta ni Shania Twain na You're Still the One. So pang ano to guys, pangharana sa mga bebe nyo. So simple lang naman yung chords niya guys. D over F sharp, G, tapos A. So may E minor pala, sa chorus yan. So madali lang yan guys. Yung D over F sharp pala ay, di ba naka-D ka? So tanggalin mo tong dalawa, iwan mo tong isa. Tapos yung ring, yung middle finger mo, ilipat mo sa second fret, tapos third string. Yan. Tapos yung, eto, lipat mo sa second fret ng 6th string. So, ganyan magiging tunog niya. D over F sharp. So, ang verse niya, D over F sharp, G, tapos A. So, kanta natin guys. Looks like you made it. Look how far you've come, my baby. Might have took a long way. You get it someday. They said, I bet you never make it, but just look us holding on. Yung pala guys, mag-iiba na yun, but just look us so G na siya, tapos A. So wala na yung D over F sharp. Doon siya mag-iiba. I just look at holding on, still together, going strong. So sa chorus guys ay D, G, E minor, tapos A. So dyan lang guys. Kanta natin. Still the one I want to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. So balik na kayo sa verse, ganun pa rin guys. And we beat the odds together, glad it ain't you listen. Look at what we're all missing. They say, I bet till never make it, but just look us holding on. Still together, still going strong. Still the one I want to, the only one I belong to. Still the one I want for life. You're still the one I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Okay, sa bandang sa part ng solo guys, D, G, tapos A lang. Tapos papasok na ulit yung chorus dyan. Still the one I want to, that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. That's yung outro niya guys. Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. So yun guys, maraming salamat. So napakasimple lang ng chords na yun, pero maganda kasi yung kanta na yun guys. So maraming salamat guys. Hanggang dito na lang.